If you know how far away your house is from the mall, could you find the location of the mall? In this lesson, you will learn how to move a point in space and describe its new location by counting the movement on both the x and y axis of a coordinate plane. First, let's review. Movement on the coordinate plane is often described using the cardinal directions. The cardinal directions are the standard directions you've heard before, so north, south, east, and west. To remember them in the proper order, I like to think of the phrase, never eat soggy waffles. Sometimes the map will only show which way is north, so this saying is really helpful because then I can find east, south, and west if all I have is north. Movement on the coordinate plane is counted by the number of units moved. So let's say I want to tell someone how to get from school to the playground. To tell how far it is, I need to count the units of movement, or blocks, since this is a map. I also need to know what direction to go when I move. The playground is to the right of school, so first someone will need to travel to the right, or east. It takes someone 1, 2, 3 blocks to be even with the school, or at the same x-coordinate. So first someone would have to travel 3 blocks east. The playground is also down from the school, or south. From where I ended before, the playground is only down 1 block, or south 1 block. So to get from the school to the playground, someone would have to travel east 3 blocks and south 1 block, or a total of 4 blocks, or units. Let's say that the pool is 1 block east and 3 blocks north of school. If I want to tell where the pool is, I would have to count the movement 1 block east and 3 blocks north. It's tempting to start from the origin and count 1 block east and 3 blocks north, since this is the starting place for reading the coordinates of points. But if I try that, 1 block east and 1, 2, 3 blocks north, I see that I'm in fact at my house. If my house is there, then the pool can't be there. If I reread the question, I know that the pool is 1 block east and 3 blocks north of the school. The school is at the point 06, not at the origin. In order to figure out where the pool is, I have to start from the point I'm given, which is not necessarily the origin. So I always have to start from the point that I'm given, not the origin. Let's try this problem again. Let's say that the pool is 1 block east and 3 blocks north of the school. Where's the pool? If I start where the school is, not at the origin, then I can easily count 1 block east and 3 blocks north to place the pool in the correct location. When I do this, I see that the pool has an x-coordinate of 1 and a y-coordinate of 9, giving the pool a location of 1, 9. Let's try another one. If I walk 2 blocks west and 3 blocks north, 2 blocks west and 3 blocks south from the grocery store, where will I be? Starting from the grocery store, I need to move 2 blocks west or to the left, 1, 2. Then I need to walk 3 blocks south or down from where I ended, 1, 2, 3. When I do this, I can see that I am at the metro, and that it is at point 4, 1. In the beginning of the lesson, I asked a similar question to this. If my house is 5 blocks west and 5 blocks south of the library, where's the library? This problem is tricky because it tells me where my house is in relation to the library, but I don't know where the library is. If my house is west of the library, then the library is in the opposite direction or east of my house. If my house is south of the library, then the library must be opposite or north of my house. By saying that my house is west and south of the library, what I really mean is that the library must be east and north of my house. So to find the library, I must move 5 units east, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 units north, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to place the library. I find that the library has an x-coordinate of 6 and a y-coordinate of 8, giving the library a location of 6, 8. In this lesson, you have learned how to move a point in space and describe its new location by counting the movement on both the x and the y axis of a coordinate plane.